How to check liked reels on Instagram. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily check your recently liked reels or posts on Instagram. First thing you have to do, tap on Instagram app to open it up. Once you open up the app, just make sure that you are logged in. Then the next step is to actually head over to your profile icon by tapping on the bottom right corner. Once you land on the profile page, find the settings menu or the hamburger menu at the top right. And once you land on the settings page, under how you use Instagram, you will have your activity. Tap on it, and then you can find the interactions button. Under there, you have likes, comments, notes, tags, sticker responses, and reviews. Just head over to likes. Now you'll be able to see all of your liked posts on Instagram as well as reels. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically find your liked reels or posts on Instagram. You could also filter it from newest to oldest or oldest to newest. Select a certain amount of date range, select content type. So if you just want to see reels, select reels and apply. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.